Hello dear students, this is Dr. Meenakshi Sundaram AS, your faculty for microbiology at Manipal MedAce. Have you ever wondered what happens in the lifestyles of people who are your neighbors? When we don't show much of interest in the lives of others, what would make us look at any kind of microbe's life with even more amount of interest? But if you go that extra mile to understand what is happening in the life of a microbe, starting from the structure of a microbe in terms of morphology, the micropathogenesis that it can perform, the clinical features that it can elicit, and the kind of investigations you can run for the organism, you will see a whole new world of microbiology to be explored. And microbiology at Manipal MedAce is not taught just as a subject, it is taught as an integrated part of all kinds of clinical subjects as a part of infectious diseases. When you learn infectious diseases attacking every single system, including CVS, CNS, GIT, GUT, etc., you'll realize how microbiology plays a very great role in making a diagnosis and going for interpretation of the values. And once you know how to tackle a microbe, you will know how to tackle 60% of cases in any kind of wards or in the ICU setup. And that at Manipal MedAce will make you feel better when it comes to cracking a question. It'll come handy with your competitive exams also. Come join Manipal MedAce. Please make your learning even better. I welcome you all to actually explore microbiology even better. All the very best.